This is just one of the letters we've had requesting the Bonzo Dog Doodah Band. The other one's in my dressing room. But I expect you're wondering why I'm here. Well, recently we've had a lot of complaints that Eric Idle has too often been rude about the Bonzo Dog Doodah Band. So they asked me to come along tonight and be rude about them instead. But you know, there's not a single hard word I can say against them. They're a wonderful lot of chaps to work with. Really hard, tough workers, and I admire the kind of music and what they're trying to do. And this song they're coming up with now is one of my personal favorites. I've spun it many times on my little record player at home. It's a great, great number, and it's called... It's a wonderful number. It's very popular. I like it a lot. Death Cab for Cuddles? Yes, thank you. Cutie. I see. Well, here they are. The Bonzo Dog Doodah Band from Mitcham.
His eyes in the mirror, keeping Cutie inside. Oh, baby, don't do it. When he saw Cutie, it gave him a thrill. Don't you know a baby curse can kill? Death cab for Cutie. Death cab for Cutie. Someone's gonna make you pay your fare. Sliding down the highway 31. Baby, don't do it. The traffic lights change from green to red. The driver didn't shoot, but they both wound up dead. Death cab for Cutie. Death cab for Cutie. Someone's gonna make you pay your fare. Someone